Testing 1 2 testing. Test. Oops, I'm so small. Transitions. Testing 1 2 testing 1 2. If you can hear me, say hi David. Let me know you can hear me. Testing 1 2 testing. Test. Okay, I think I can hear myself, man. Hi guys. Sound checks. Okay, good. Okay. Exciting day, man. Testing 1 2 testing. Echo. It's not echo, basically it's because of my phone is beside. That's why. Okay. I'm looking at my phone. So guys, exciting. Congrats everyone that makes a great profit. Okay, before I'm gonna start here, guys, can you just update me about how much are you making, profit or loss? Profit or loss? If it's profit, type profit. If it's loss, type loss. Okay. So today, all shorts still valid, not valid. I never against a trend. Okay, of course, look at the graph. I shot it there, but somehow not. I don't like to against trend, man. Okay, while waiting everyone to come in right now, maybe about 2 minutes more. So while waiting everyone comes in, can I ask everyone right now, are you making profit in spot or not making profit? How many? Okay, today what am I going to cover is about the trend right now. Okay, we see that the price is having a retracement. Then after retracement, what should we do? Okay, Derek got lose 2%. Serious? Okay, then the second topic is we'll be talking about prop W. How many of you here are in prop W right now and you are making profits? I mean, you are really opens up a prop W account. I think make my phone hit bigger. That is good. Okay, it looks bigger. Okay, so first topic I will cover about the market trend right now. What should I do? The planning about our planning. Okay, what we need to do. Okay, that's the first thing. The second thing we are going to cover is about the prop W. Okay, prop tradings. So Derek is in phase 2. Congratulations. Me phase 2 exam, but 3% loss. It's still okay, 3%. Yeah, I'm somewhere around there also, William. So I'm with you. Okay. I think I'm with you. The phone is upstairs. I can't bring it up. Yeah, I got one phone right now. It's 3%. Okay. Chinji has got 1.5%. All the best. Chinjin, remember, if you want to talk about prop W, I will cover a bit here to help you to overcome your tests, your challenges faster. But very important also, we need to cover about the risk and reward you need to calculate. Okay, is cotton still fine? I think still swimming. Soon later. Actually, she's quite good also. You know, I just lost one trade, then win one trade. So she's still okay. I think so. Okay. You know, it's fun to take video with my dog. Okay, let's see. Okay, 03 right now. We can start anytime soon. Cotton can trade better than me. Cotton in the leg. Nice. Okay, she can swim very well. I was stay tuned for the next video. Maybe there's a chance for her next dog. You know, when I talk about dog, I got few dogs at home. Oh my God. So I can lots of videos for that. You know, basically it's just like it is fun for me because to record a video with my dogs and also my training. You know why? Because these two things are these two is my best, my most love. I love to trade. I love my dogs. Of course, the higher one is my wife lah. Okay, this is the second one. Okay. Okay, let's start. Okay, stop chit chatting already. Start now. Okay, guys. So congratulations, guys. The last crypto pathway, because some technical issues that ran up, I couldn't continue. I couldn't start that. So right now I'm coming back to here for this crypto pathway. Okay, this is the graph that I draw. I think it's around last November 20, last week. I think last week in bi-weekly Zoom I draw this. Okay, I just want to bring it out to everyone again one time, that how did I have these predictions? What is the reason for these predictions? I'm going to bring out this to you. Okay, at the same time, also I hope that you can learn from here. Okay, first thing. Okay, before that, right, we talk about past first, then we talk about current, then we talk about futures. Three things. Okay, let's start with past. Past is about last week. I got a bi-weekly Zoom with Inner Circle with my students here to talk about this chart. Okay, that time we can draw a triangle like this. Okay, what happened that time? That time I'm saying that okay, the support is getting higher. What do you mean by support is getting higher? Support is getting higher and higher and higher. It tells you that the people that wanted to buy Bitcoin have the feeling of buying more, and buying in more expensive and more expensive. This is what we call ascending triangle. It's just like, the market. When this phone costs $50, you don't want to buy. So the next round it costs $60, you don't want to buy. Then the next round it costs $70, you don't want to buy. Then $80 you get to buy back. So these are the guys that buy at 60, 70, 80. Which means that most people are buying in higher and higher price, but the resistance is getting about the same. So it tells you that it accumulates a lot of buyer here. At the end, the price shoots up because no one's selling it anymore. Okay, that is one of the reasons that the price shoots up. This is called ascending triangle. Okay, then that time what I said, that it's about, if it's break this triangle, okay, our resistance somewhere around 98,003. So what I'm told everyone is about, when it shoots up here, okay, then if it goes sideways around this area, you can go for a short. Okay, you can go for a short, because that time in 2 hours, I remember in 4 hours, I think 4 hours is having a divergence down. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting. So how I get this line? Okay, basically it's the Fibonacci here that I pull it up. Okay, it's somewhere around here. Okay, 98,000. Okay, got it. So that is the reason I got this 98k, but it overshoots a bit. Like for me, I'm expecting that somewhere between 97 plus minus. It overshot to somewhere to 99. Okay, so I remember one of my first shot, I got hit my stop loss. Then I got in a second shot, I make these profits. Okay, but this I also say to everyone. Okay, right now we come back to the current plan first. I also say to everyone, try not to against the trend. Remember I said before. Remember, for those that old students, what I always said. Okay, what I always said about trend. Anyone remember? What did I always say about trend? Okay, I'm waiting for everyone to answer. What did I always say about trend? Let me see. Any reply here? Someone say it's about trend is king. Leong, yeah. These are the people. Leong, if you heard about trend is king, basically you follow me from the last bull run in 2020. Correct or not? Only those that experience trend is king can trade very well. You know, every time when we are in tradings, right, we are having some emotional problems. Is that when the price goes up, right, your feeling that you're trying to short is very strong. How many of you got this feeling? The feeling of trying to short is very strong because you keep on telling yourself that the price is too expensive to buy now. Correct or not? So when the price is too expensive to buy now, how can I go? What, I cannot go for long right now. I only can go for short. Correct? So that's the reason a lot of people that lose in trading futures, the biggest problem is always trying to against the trend. Trying to think that it is already the top, 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 end up you burn your capital totally. That's the biggest trap ever. That's why the first word we always say trend is king. I've been through this since 2017. It's a very crazy one when Bitcoin move. How many of you got the feeling right now? You have this feeling, you touch it, you feel it, and you say, got it. You finally know it. Why is it David Young always said that trend is king was always the first thing ever? Okay, guys, remember, try your best to reply me in the YouTube. If not, I'm like talking to myself. Okay, so right now you can see first plan. So current one, green color. Bull wave is still green color, so just leave it, doesn't matter. Always say, right, this EMA 20, the red color line, is for you to buy. Okay, this red color line is for you to buy in. Why is it for you to buy in? Because the risk and reward ratio is good. Okay, if I just able to buy in at this price, 91,006, so my stop loss is somewhere, where is it? 89,000. So my risk is only 2 to 3%. Because remember, when we talks about DL, anything below this one we run. Correct or not? So the risk is only 2 to 3% of, so it doesn't matter. Then, but if it goes up back, let's say, if it goes up back this price, okay, with 2% stop loss, you at least you got 1 to 3 ratio, 1 to 2.88. It's worth value for entry, value for buying spot. Okay, next so for my plan, if you still want to buy in, the cheapest price you can aim right now is somewhere between 90,000 plus a bit, 90,700, 90,500, okay, plus minus lah. But I cannot guarantee it will go down. I cannot guarantee. Okay, next. Okay, when they come back to here, right, okay, next we come back day charts. Okay, so right now we know that somewhere between 91,000 plus minus you can buy your spots. Okay, you can buy some. Even you're gonna go for long, doesn't matter. But let me go through the charts and see what is the plan first. Right now it's about 8 hours. Yeah, 8 hours. So what I'm expecting right now, it's about 95,008, somewhere around here. Okay, so right now we are at a very sensitive price, a very sensitive price. Why is it? The reason, because I'm expecting that if anything stays below this line, okay, 95,008, if the price remains staying at this price, there is chance that it will go down first. Okay, go down first. Okay, then only go up. Got it? That's a chance. But if you're saying, David, if it doesn't go, it doesn't break this. If it broken this one, this 96,000, if broken up, right now it's still haven't broken up. You have to stay above more than 1 day, 96,000, then the chance of it go up is so much higher. Got it? So right now you understand that what I'm trying to tell you about sensitive price. You are right in the middle right now. You're right in the middle. Is it okay? If it's okay, type okay, let me know you understand. But I'm trying to draw a parallel channel and see. Nah, I believe it go up more than down. Okay, if it's okay, type okay, let me know. So the plan is like this: 8 hours, we come back to 4 hours and check and see. Hours. Okay, actually what I prefer, right, honestly speaking, what I prefer, it's go down first when it comes up. Okay, what I prefer is go down first when it comes up. Okay, I prefer, what the best thing I prefer, right, there's 2 support line. I can give it to you based on FIBO 93,261. I'll give you some price that looks very valuable for you to buy in. First spot, this green line, 93,003 plus minus is very plus minus. I don't give you a fixed price because it is very sensitive. When I give you the fixed price, right, basically everyone aim the same price, right? We can't get that money. 88.3. I don't think so. It's too far away, man. It's too far away. 88.3. Nah, I don't take it this price. Okay, it's a but this is a last support. This is a last support. This is a last. Okay, this is a last support. This is the first support. So what I prefer like this. I'm hoping that it come down, touches here and goes up, back and break. This is what I'm hoping for. But also if it's broken up, stands above 96,000 for more than 1 day, then it goes up. Then Jen asking, got chance back to 88? I don't think so. I'm not recommending this price. This is the last, but I don't think the chances of it to go down this one is not that easy. Okay, not that easy. Okay, so I prefer, right, I prefer this one. Remember what I said, the red color line, 91k. Yeah, I prefer this. Ignore this one better. Okay, this is really the last. Okay, the second one and the last one and the first one. Can't see the last support price. 88k, 88.8, 90,800 and 93,003. Okay, so what is the best thing I want to do right now? What is the best thing I do right now? Okay, it's about possible that it's a chances that the price will go shoots up also. There's another plan. Okay, okay, right now there's a lot of options for you. I can't guarantee everything to be very direct, but what I can do is plan 1, plan B and plan C. So once you got the plan 1, plan B, plan C, when the times come, you know what to do. Okay, when the price come, you know what to do. So 1382.98 try. Okay, so here is the resistance. Okay, what I'm trying to draw is like this. There's a chance like this. If it doesn't break this one, it will come down. I'm hoping that it comes like this. That's the first plan. So you aim yourself. Okay. The second plan, if it breaks up here and stands above 1 day, then it shoots up. It shoots up ready, right? You need to see this resistance ready. 98,332. Okay, you need to see this resistance ready. Of course, if it broke it up, it's go better. If it doesn't, it goes down a bit, still acceptable. Okay, so okay, if it works up, congratulations. Anything above here, you will see 100,000. You'll see 100,000 already. So the best thing, what you okay? Say, David, if it's a spot, or maybe if it's a futures, or if it's a prop trading exam, what should I do right now? Because there's so many plans, maybe you start to confuse. Very easy. Once we know that how the flow works, then after that we come back and talk about future. Okay, right now we talk about future. What is future? Future means that what is the next? The plan is about. If it goes up to 98,000, okay, but I would not recommend you to go for short. There is a chance that it will come down a bit, but don't go for short. The reason, don't against the trend. You make small profit for what? Except you are here for challenges, for exam. You just want to make like 1-2%, 2-3%, which is reasonable. You can go about it. Okay, if it's exam, you can take these chances. You can short here. If it's exam, if it's exam, if it's a challenges from prop W, if it's challenge from prop W, if you are saying that, David, if it's a spot, I would say this green and this one. Got it? You got 93,000. Depends on you. Doesn't matter. Okay. Okay. Depends on you. No right. I don't know about your margin size. I don't know about T. I don't know about your margin size. Everything. Okay. So if you say, David, can I go for first entry and second entry? No problem. That is for futures. Okay. For spot also can. These two, no problem. Got it? Is that clear? If it's clear, type clear. So right now, don't need to make any decision yet. But you're saying, David, can I go for short at this moment because we are right at the resistance, right? As I said, guys, what I just said to you, it's about if you want to go for short to make this small profit, risk and reward, let me see. You go for the previous high, 1.78%, and fight for 2.3, 1 to 1.3, 1 to 1.3. Okay, if you want to fight this, I got nothing to say. Go ahead. Okay, this is a very short trader, Okay, risky trade, but if you want, I will not stop you. But what I prefer is this one. Okay, this is what the priority first entry. But always remember, don't all in this price. Only the first entry. Possible it come down first. Okay. William asking about exam phase 2, shouldn't we play safe and right on the trend against trend? Not to say, William, not to say okay, you know, if it's a phase 2, right, it depends on you. It really depends on you. For me, right, I'm not a short-term trader, so basically I don't go and aim for short terms. Okay, but lots of people, they like to aim for short terms. So aiming for short term, lots of people, they gain a lot of, like what we say, confidence. They feel very happy, but I don't feel happy because of that. Okay, if it's a long term wise, I would recommend you go for long. Don't focus on short first. Of course there is a chance that it will come down first from a parallel channel. Okay, why there's a last support? Because possible there's a last support. The last support is here. It is possible they're going to form a parallel channel like this. Okay, I draw you what I don't want to see, but maybe it will happen. What I don't want to see, maybe it will happen. Okay, yellow. Where's the color? Shit. How can I change the color? Damn, I don't know really. Never mind. It comes down, then it comes down here. Okay, then come down here. Then only go up. This is what I don't want to see. Okay, but sometimes got no choice. We have to accept that. Okay. red. So I'm telling you, right, all these price actions, right, okay, basically you can see, right, some of you, when you don't know how to trade or you hardly trade, right, you say that, David, why is it there's so many options, right? It's like everywhere, or what should I do? From you, right, you don't need to confuse first. Okay, why am I drawing all these lines? Because once you got all these lines, right, you know what to do when it reaches there. That's the purpose. You know what to do when it reaches there. If you don't know what to do, useless. So, okay, if you're having spot right now, say, David, I got spot right now, what should I do right now? Just hold it. Just hold it. Every time when not even touch 88k yet, nothing much to worry at all. Okay? Let me check again. 12 hours. 12 hours should be at 88. Yeah, somewhere around here. So, got it? Okay. Anything above 88, it's safe for you to hold your spot. Did I ease your concern? Okay. Did I ease your concern? If I ease your concern, type yes, let me know. Okay. So, of course, a lot of people, you make money in crypto already. You are worried that you wanted to sell because you feel that, hey, if I don't sell, right, I lose all the profit I got. Okay, spot, not to worry first. Right now, it's Bitcoin dominance yet, but of course, altcoin is not, it's quite crazy, but not so crazy yet. Okay, so next it's about, if you say, David, I still got some money to buy crypto. Okay, still got some money to buy crypto. I would say 91,000 plus minus is a good price. Hey, first price you can buy at 93.3. Okay, first price. If you want to divide into two price, right? First price here, second price is 88. Okay, 88. Someone saying that 1 week chart looks very scary. How scary is it? Nah, it's not scary. It's already broken. The candle is already higher. Okay, you are worried that it comes down, right? Is it? Nah. Sometimes, right, when I look at this type of candles, right, you can see, right, here the candle is high, here the candle is low, so it forms a divergence down. But look at this. Look at this. Chan, do you know how to see the difference? Good. Okay. So, okay, but I'm saying that there's too many options already, right? Don't get too confused first. We come back here. Okay, for what I see, based on charts, right? Based on chart, right? I prefer it to come down here first, then rebound here and goes up. That's the first thing I want. That is a first choice, first options that I will take. Go down first and comes up. Okay, if not, then I believe that it will go lower. It will go lower. Good. Is that clear? But what I don't want to see is it go higher. It goes to 98,000, then come down, then it forms two mountains. This is what the worst thing that I don't want to see. Okay? That is what we talks about futures. So every plan, is that clear? Every plan, is that clear? If it's clear, type clear. I want to talk about other coin. Someone asking about, should I go Ethereum, because Ethereum still having a lot of chances, and right now the dominance is like same, getting higher and higher and higher. Okay, you're not wrong. Okay, it's not wrong. Basically, Ethereum is getting higher and higher. Doesn't, okay, I understand everyone clear with, yeah. Okay. First of all, when you want to talk about altcoin, you need to look at this one, what we call Bitcoin dominance. Okay, Bitcoin dominance tells you about, okay, what does it tells you? It tells you about, if it go down, altcoin will go up. Okay, which means that right now Bitcoin dominance already went down to 58%. Okay, 58%. How many percent I dropped? It drops about 5.79. Okay, previously the highest it dropped for how long? 2% only. Okay, this is the biggest drop since 1 year, I think. Let me double check and see. No, not too big yet. You're still standing above the trend line. Still yet. Okay, what is Bitcoin dominance? If those that you don't know, okay, when Bitcoin market cap is bigger than the other altcoin, the bigger, the higher percentage it goes. But when it comes down, when Bitcoin dominance go down, which means Bitcoin got no longer dominance. When there's no longer dominance, which means that altcoin is going to fly. Okay, so you're asking me, David, is it right now is the right time to go for altcoin? I said not yet first. Okay, yes, it comes down. Let me show you, right, the example on 2020. I go for day charts. It takes so long. Okay, day charts. On the last bull market in 2020, I still remembers about April, Bitcoin dominance is somewhere 60%. Then Bitcoin continue go. Then after that, the price keep on going up. Then it went down a bit to somewhere 57 plus minus. Then after that, it dominance again. It dominance until January. Okay. Then here is where the altcoin session is here. Okay, in January and February 2021, that is a altcoin. All the altcoin shoots up so crazy. Okay, all the altcoin shoots up so crazy. So how can we justify, right? I always like to draw a trend line. I like to draw a trend line. As long as it stays above the trend line, the dominance is there. But anything below the trend line, the chances of the altcoin is better. Okay, you can see it go as low as 43. This is the altcoin session last time because of NFT, because of DOT. Remember, because of all those like DeFi coin, all the coin went up so crazy, but Bitcoin doesn't goes up a lot. Okay. So right now it's still above this. It's still above 57%. For me, what I prefer, anything below 56%, then the altcoin session, the altcoin season is coming. Are you able to learn? I mean, is that clear? Do you learn something from this? If you learn something today, type yes, let me know. Okay. So look at this one, Bitcoin dominance, BTC.D. Anything below 56%, I would say it is good for you to go for altcoin. Because it already broke up. It's already broke the support for Bitcoin dominance charts. Got it? Good. Okay. So plans already done. Altcoin already done. Then let's come back to, then someone asking me, David, what coin should I buy right now? For me, right, I always say, right, for me, right, okay, for me, did I tell you all that my portions? My portions is always the tops. My portion is less than 10 coin. I don't go for a lot of coin. I only pick top 50 coin which I like. Okay, for example, like Ethereum, Solana, BNB not me, XRP basically is not me, so I didn't earn from this one. Dogecoin a bit, but not me also, not much. AVAX is me, Ton is me. Okay, Stellar is not me, Shiba is not me. For Sui, yes, Sui, APT a bit, I got it. Chronos, oh no, Randall, yes, ARB, yes. Celestia, a bit, but Celestia is good. Okay. Done. Mantra, oh no already. Not my style. Last time I got my stake in AIF, but right now no already. Because AIF, like, well, it went up back 200 already at AIF. My god. Okay. Injective also, yes. This is my stake lah. Depends on you lah. You don't need to follow. You don't need to follow. I got my own. Actually, I got my own preference. I would say. Okay. No right or wrong lah. As long as top 20 or top 100, it's no right or wrong. It's only if it's not top 20 or top 100 only that is right or wrong. Actually, right. Okay, yep. So, any questions first? No questions, then I want to bring it out like how many of you right now is in Prop W exam? How many funded trader here? You know, right now we got a lot of funded already. I think nearer to about 3 digit of funded trader already. Any funded trader here for today? I don't care whether it's 10,000 or 25,000. That day, yes, I mean last 2 days I got an update from the students. Some of them they get to withdraw few thousand out already. Yes, William, hold it first. Don't think too much. Okay. Okay. Prop W is in Chinese. Can I change it to English? Still pending review, is it? 10k funded. Congratulations, Chanjing. 10k funded. Remember, if you're 10k funded, right, just try to make $100 first, then withdraw it, so you got $200. Because the audition fees is going to refund back to you. Okay, good. So in order to, some of you all, right, you're used to follow my chart, my trading, right? Okay. For example, I got one is quite good that shares to everyone, right? Wait, not here. Long, oh my god. Okay, can 031, right? It's a strategy that quite good for period stop loss. Okay, those that you watch the video already, right? You know what to do, right? Long trade. Right now, ask to long at what price? 95k. 95k.4. Okay, what? I think nothing wrong with stop loss of how many percent? Oh, sorry, 20 minutes only. Oh, very short term trade. Can consider for that. Okay. 20 minutes short term trade, 0.84%. TP1 to 1.7, I think. It's already more than 1.1. Wait, let me check. 1 to 1.7. This one is very good for you to go. This is very good for you to. This strategy is very good for you to pass the exam because the risk and reward is 1 to 1.7. Okay, so for those that how to get this strategy, basically you can just go to my video. There's a strategy list called Algo Plus 031. Got it? So this is the strategy is quite frequent I think November 28, 27. Every day got the strategies Okay, it's just having 2 stop loss previously, but the last 2 trade got 2 stop loss, but before that all are very good. So just go. Got it? So for me, right, I find out that there's a lots of students, right, they are having some concern about finding strategies entry to pass the challenges. I want to bring out a story like this. Is about, for me, I tried before. If a lot of people, they always struggle about taking to pass the challenge, then after to get funded. For me, right, passing up the challenge is only the first start, which means that you don't spend too much time in passing the challenge. Okay, I would say not me. Okay, my wife, she got funded like 3 to 4 account already right now. I don't know if she's here to listen to me or not. Secretly, about almost 3 account right now, 300,000. Okay. 1 to 1.4. I think I changed a bit lah. Okay, you can try to play with the strategy tester and see whether 1 to 1.4 is good or 1 to 1.7 is good. But Chinchong, 1 to 1.7, the reason is because I want to risk 5%, 1 to 1.7, and I make 8% of profit. So one account, one trade, you get to overcome this one. Okay, the second one, 1 to 1, and then story. Yep. Got it? So don't spend too much of time. I would say don't spend too much of your time on finding a right strategy to passing up the challenges. The reason is because the audition fee is not that high. And some more you all got 15% discount, isn't it? Those that use our affiliate got 15% discount. So what is the best thing I can tell you is about, no matter how, just try your best, 10K, 25K, just put in audition fees and just start it. You see that you feel that it's go up, put in 1 to 1.7 ratio, just put in a 1 to 1.5 ratio, 1.7 ratio, 1 to 1.8 ratio, just go for long and go for, that's all. That's all. If it's failed, then try one more time again. That's all. I would say it's not that hard for you to, okay, why am I saying that? Why am I saying that? Wow, so risky. I just simply go and long or short. No. Okay. Sometimes I will ask you, even though how good your strategy is, can you guarantee it will go up or down? You can't guarantee. Am I right? But the best thing is about, you need 10 days at least to overcome 2 challenges. Okay, we are here to play with, let's say we don't talk about strategy first. Strategy is for you to increase the probability. Always remember, strategy is increase the probability of winning. But do I really need, okay, because of this probability of winning, I waited for 5 days for a signal. I waited for 7 days for a signal. Then after that, after the minimum day tradings, right, it takes about 2-3 weeks or maybe 1 to 2 months, only you can win one phase. Time wasting, you know. Basically in phase 1 and phase 2, right, you don't make a single cent. So what is the most important thing is about, you just need to overcome, pass the challenge as soon as possible. Once got funded, then you put in your daily loss, you put in your daily damage cost with 2.5%. That's all, or less than 2%. Got it? That's where your money comes from. Your challenge doesn't give you money, but the funded one only gives you money. Correct? I always tell students, right, even though the last section I told my students like this, guys, take a look. If a drawdown with 10%, with a profit of 8%, which means that the chances of winning at least is 60%. Correct? 8% or 10%. Your chances of winning, if it's a 50-50 things, your winning rate is already 60%. Am I right? If it's right, you type yes, let me know. Okay? So, next. Phase 2. 5% with the damage cost of 10%. What it tells you? It tells you that your winning chances of it is 75%. Correct? So, the first one out of 10 people, you got 6 people who got past the phase 2. Correct? The second one, 6 people, 75%. 4 people will finally get funded. Correct? So, out of 10 people, in total, 4 people will get funded. Which means that the audition fees, right, I would say, right, if you go for really aggressive, right, not necessarily you're going to lose. But most important, you buy time. You want to make profit is when you get funded, only you make profit. You need to try your best to not to worry. For me, you know, that is my biggest problem. When I got like 50K, I'm still okay. 25K, I'm still okay to trade. But when I've got 100K, right, that account spent me about a month to pass 2 challenges. 1 month. Okay, and even, I mean, my wife, my partner, they went faster than me. Then I found out that, right, I got an issue there. Because when the amount getting bigger, right, I got a burden, I must win. When I got a burden, I'm keep on waiting for the better accuracy, better probability to get in, to go in. But of course, my chances of winning is higher than them. But the problem that, yeah, maybe one of my partner, I don't say who, he got 3 account done. So, but he spent about 6 account money. So he get to burn 3 account, fail 3 account, and finally he get to fund it with 3 account funded. Okay? In just 1 month. 1 month, 3 account done. And for me, it's only 1 account. Yes, I didn't get to buy, I didn't fail, but I only got 1 account. So do you think that he is going to make more money after that, or me, I'm the one who's going to make more money? Try to think about it. Do you get to have a different intake from today? That's just what, during my 1 month experience in taking the challenges, my biggest feeling of that. So sometimes I would say not to too struggle about whether you want to find the best. Nothing is the best or what. Best for all, I would say. Only get funded that time is where your profit comes from. Good. So some of you maybe you're worried about, David, 100k is too much already. Maybe go for 25k first. No problem. We got few students got in like 25k, and he got 5,000 withdrawal last 3 days, I think. Last week, Potato just told me about it. 5,000 withdraw, and he only spent about 200, and another account like 200. So he spent 400, withdraw 5,000. So guys, don't waste your time, man. Time is precious for money right now. Got it? So today, the sections here, any questions? I'm gonna end my sections here today. If there's no questions, I'm gonna end it here too. Good. So remember, plans are, if you forget about plans, don't worry, you can rewatch back the video here. But it's a bit confusing because there's too many. I mean, there's 3-way here, but you just need to remember the price. For me, I would like to just set the alert about the price here. Okay, I just set an alert when the price reaches 93,000. It tells me that that it touches the price. It touches the price, and it touches the price. So I know when it reaches there, what should I do? Okay, so right now you don't need to make any decision yet. First, if you want to go for a short, it's a bit risky, but if you want, you go for it. You like to always against the trend, why not? Okay, maybe it will come down, touches, went up, go sideways, and continue goes up back to 90s. Chong, you need to tell me what price. Ethereum, for me, I show hold. I confirm hold Ethereum. Okay, if it's somewhere below 3,003, I will hold it. Below 3,200, below 3,003, I will hold it. Okay, Chong? Good. Okay, guys, thank you for today. Thank you for here. I mean, everyone here, and bless everyone that make a crazy profit in this year, in next year, and this year still 1 month. You can be making a crazy profit. Okay. Don't underestimate the bull. I would say the bulls, I believe that still got another 6 months, 5 to 6 months plus and minus. So just try to enjoy it. Okay, some of you may be asking me, David, how can I predict the highest, or how can I run away from the previous, how do I exit at the right time? Okay, if you learned about MM before, right, take note, right? Let's say here and here, there is a LH for you to exit. Okay, there's LH for you to exit. In day charts, also in 12-hour charts. Okay, there's so many top for you to exit. And this is Ethereum. Don't look at Ethereum BCD. I don't like that. 12 hours. Okay, you can see previous high last January 2021, the price shoots up to April, it created a HH here and it went down. Can you see that? It went down. There's a chance for you to exit one, don't worry. Okay, here nothing much, it went down a bit only. Okay, here also. Okay, we go back to 2018. Okay, can you see that? It goes up to 19,000, come back down to 13, 11, then continue go up to 17. Here it forms a LH. Basically, you still will get to exit. Not the tip top price, but you still exit at the top. So I would say not to worry so much. Even though it comes down, touches 88,000. Okay, it goes up back. When it forms, you want to exit, it's still okay. Good. But funded feel like hard to win. That is the struggle. You need to overcome the struggle, guys. Or maybe the fund is too big for you. Maybe go for a smaller one. Try open a second account or third account. Good. So, thank you so much for today. Ciao. My safety pin 355 too near already, guys. Too near already. No. Okay. Thanks. And remember, those that haven't tried Prop W must try. Even though you take $50 or $100 or $200, go try for the smaller one. You'll see, right? The money, the bigger portion of money will comes very fast. Especially those money that you put in $100, right? You don't care about whether you win or lose. That is the fastest way for you to make a very crazy profit. For me, I got one account that I don't care because the amount is too small. I don't care whether I win or lose. But the account generate me almost 30% of the fund. 1.5 months. Okay, so that is very interesting. Good. Okay, thank you.